Your life is an open book with blank pages, and you are writing your story. How will you write the next page, the next chapter of your life? Are you hopelessly lost in work, eat, work, sleep, work some more rat race? Sure, everyone's dealing with the same problems and concerns. Hey, we all deal with this stuff in our lives. Live happy, live fun loving, and live carefree. Then something happens. Some event wakes us up and changes our lives. You ask yourself, what the heck am I doing? You have your aha moment. Have you had your aha moment yet? Suddenly, you are sick and tired of living life in neutral, treading water and going nowhere. Time for a change. From this moment, you'll be consumed with the need to do something different with your life. Time to create and live your own reality. Time to throw away the book that your life was written by somebody else. And time to start writing your own pages, your own chapters. Do you have an open book? Maybe you will sell, give away, and throw out your material possessions. Hey, buy a boat, move aboard, and leave for shores unknown. We did this for 9 years, and we know you can do it too if you really want to do it. Seriously, you can do it. The fun part is telling people, normal life living people, that you're gonna move on a sailboat or live in an RV or move to the country or whatever the not normal society safe option that you pick will give them that deer in the headlights look on their faces. It's really true. Yep, everyone will think that you're mad, that you have lost your minds, that you are most definitely, certifiably crazy. Long story short, when you decide to live your life by your rules, eventually at some point down the road, the people that once thought you crazy will be envious of your life. They really will be. You can smile when they say, I wish I could do that. You are so lucky to live on a boat or an RV or whatever lifestyle you have picked. Today, we're living full-time on our 5-acre homestead. Our life on the sailboat chapter came to an end. We turned the page in the book and we're writing a new chapter. Today, we're living on our self-created reality on our homestead. And we are looking forward to sharing our story here with you. What should you do? What ideas do you have for the chapters that you want to write? The idea of working hard at a job that you don't like, exchanging time for money, day in and day out, year after year, and deferring your life until old age stinks. Live life to the fullest each day and refuse to look in the mirror in the morning and say, I hate my life, but boy, my life will be great 10 years from now. Start now. Start today, because the time will never be right. Focus on what you will be gaining and how much better your life is gonna be. Push yourself to move forward. Do something. Do anything. And keep the momentum moving forward. One of my favorite sayings is, most people will remain the same until the pain of staying the same exceeds the pain of changing. People know that changing will be better, but they just resist the change. How many times have you said, I should have done that a long time ago? Each morning, when you get out of bed, you choose how to live your life. Live life each and every day because, well, because life's finite and it's over before we realize it. Don't let your dreams get buried under things like mortgages and car payments. We get few opportunities to truly live life. Most of us keep deferring life, dreaming of the day that we'll have the time, the day we retire, the day that we have enough money. Life's a book with each chapter telling a different story of your life. Share the next chapter in your life. Some chapters are happy and some chapters are sad. Some chapters are short and some chapters are long. The trick is to have the confidence to keep turning the pages. When will you be starting a new chapter in your life? Well, turn the page and find out what your next chapter will be. Life's an open book full of blank pages, and you are writing your story. Subscribe and watch another video. And hey, share this with a friend. Thanks.